Okay, today we're going to talk about numbers. We're going to talk about where numbers belong. We've always used words like what comes after and what comes before. So, for example, 26. What's the number that comes right after 26? 27 comes after 26. And we could go the other way. What number comes before 30? If we're going backwards, the number before 30 is 29. So that's what we're going to be working on today. We're really going to be focusing on this new one that we're talking about, what comes in between. So if I have 24 and 26, the number that comes in between them, that comes in the middle, is the number that's missing. 24, 25. So 25 would go between 24 and 26. All we're doing is counting and filling in the numbers that are missing. So let's try it by starting with the number that comes before. So what number comes before 21? Take a guess. The number 20 comes before 21. How about 34? Think about the number you would say just before 34 if you were counting. To help you, you want to pick a number and start counting that's close to 30. Counting all the way from 1 would take a long time. So I'm going to start at the number 30 and see what comes right before 34. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. What came right before 34? 33. Good job. How about 45? Remember, you want to start counting at a number that's close to 45. You don't want to start counting at 1 every time. That would take a very long time. What if we start at the number 40? Count up. See what number comes right before you say 45. Did you get 44? Great job. What about the number 11? What do we say just before the number 11 when we count? What if we start the number 5? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What comes right before 11? 10. How about 28? This time you try it. What number comes before 28? Remember to pick a number that's not too far away from 28 when you count. What comes before 28? 27. Last one, again, I want you to try this one on your own. What comes right before 16? All right, did you get the number 15, 13, 14, 15, 16? All right, now let's switch it up. Let's try the numbers that come after. This one I think is a little bit easier for us because we can just count up. So you can even start at the number that they give you. If I start counting at the number 23, what number would I say next? 23, 24. Did you get the number 24? Okay. What about the number that comes right after 31? Now I could even go back a little bit if I need to. 30, 31. Did you say 32? 32 comes just after 31. Okay, let's look at 49. If we need to, we can go back a few numbers, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. What comes next? 50. Okay, here we go. How about the number that comes just after 10? 8, 9, 10, 11. Nice job. 11 comes just after 10. You try this one. What number comes just after 12? You can start at the number 10 and count up. 10, 11, 12, 13. Last one. What number comes after 40? If you need to count, you could start at the number 35. All right, what number comes after 40? Did you say 41? Nice job. Now comes the tricky part. We're going to look at numbers that come in between, the numbers that's missing when you're counting. So all we're going to do is we're going to say the numbers we see and try and think of the number that must be hidden. 15, 17. What number would I say when I count after 15? The number has to come after 15, but before 17. I could even go back a few numbers. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Nice job. All right, 18, 20. What number comes after 18 but before 20? 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, now which number is it? We have 31, 33. So it's the number that comes after 31, but before 33. 30, 31, 32. Okay, how about down here? 11, 13. I would start back at the number 10. 10, 11. Did you say 12? Nice job. Okay, your turn. You're going to try and figure out this one. What number comes after 5 but before 7? Did you say 6? All right, last one. Again, it's going to be your turn. What number comes after 8 but before 10? 8, 10. Did you say 9, 8, 9, 10? Nice work. Okay, now you're going to find this worksheet. And on this worksheet, you're going to be finding the numbers that come before and after. So it shows you the number in the middle, 11. You would type the number in this box that comes before 11, and in this box, the number that comes after. So if I'm counting, I would count 10, 11, 12. So in this spot, I would put 10, and in this spot, I would put 12, so that when I did it together, 10, 11, 12, I counted in order. You're going to fill in all of the clouds to have the numbers that come before and after the number you see right inside the rainbow. All right, do your best work.